Hello all, in this video we are going to learn about creating quiz using Kahoot. Actually, Kahoot is a game-based learning platform used as educational technology in schools and other educational institutions. Kahoots are user-generated multiple choice quizzes that can be accessed through a web browser or the Kahoot app. Let's go for creating quiz by using Kahoot. Before that, subscribe the YouTube channel for upcoming videos to know more about digital teaching and learning tools. If you have any doubts, kindly post in the comment window for further clarification. Let me go for creating Kahoot. Type kahoot.com. It will display the home page. You will find login option. I have already logged in my page, so here this is my login page. So here you will find the create option. Just I'm choosing create option. It will open the dialog box with some options. So I'm going to create a new Kahoot. So just I'm choosing create. So here my quiz page has opened. You will find the question number 1 quiz, and here are quiz setting options. So just type your question here. I'm just typing the question. I have typed the question here. How many colors in the rainbow? Here you will find the time setting to attend this quiz. So you can fix the time. I'm fixing the time as 10 seconds. And here are the points. Either you can fix the 0.0 or 1000 or 2000, depends on the time the user takes. Based on that it will allot the points. So I'm fixing the minimum point as 1000, and you have the options, 4 options here to give the answers, to choose the correct answer. I'm fixing the answer as 5, and I'm fixing my correct answer is 7 is in second option, and here just 3 and wrong answer, and again 8 is a wrong answer. So there are 4 options. You can choose which one is right answer here. So this is 7 is the right answer. I have choose the answer as 7. So it has been saved. If you want to add the image for this question, you just drag the image here to enhance the question quiz interactively to the students. So I don't want to include any image, so I'm leaving the same. Again, I want to add the second question. Just click add question. It will open the dialog box like this. Here are so many options, that is what type of question you want to create as a second question. So I am choosing the true or false in the second question. So here true or false. Again I am typing the question here. Now I have typed second question, that is Facebook is one of the social media. Again I am fixing the time as 10 seconds and point as it is 1000. Here there are 2 options already fixed. Which one is right answer? You can choose the right answer here. So after choosing this, I'm going to complete this quiz within 2 questions, because this is a demo session. So I'm going to complete this session. After completing all the questions, you just select the done option. So you will find the options like this. You can give the title for this. I'm pressing GK questions and description. If you want to add any description regarding this quiz, you can add it, or else no issues. Just give continue. So after pressing continue button, you will find this page. Here is my quiz which has been created now. So if you want to play now, just you give play. So it will ask you to apply these 2 options, any one of this option. One is teach, another one is assign. I'm going to assign this quiz to the students, so I'm selecting the assign option. Here you will find some options, so that is options like questions, timer. Yes, if you want to add question timer, you can choose it. Randomize answer order, yes, that also you can choose it. If you want to generate nickname, yes, if you want, you can add it. So player limit is 50. So when it is going to start and time, everything you can fix here. After fixing all the points, just you click the create button. After all the process has been done, you will find this page. Here is the game pin. This is the game pin. Only this game pin has been shared to your students to attend the quiz, students or whoever they may be. Now I want to check this game, how it is going to run. So just I'm copying this code and going to next page. Just type Kahoot, and here you will find the option like play. Once you click the play option, it will open you for entering the game pin. Just I'm pasting the game pin, enter. It will open the quiz which has been created now. So this is the quiz. If you want to enter nickname, yes, you can enter. Just I'm pressing A. Okay, go. So it has been started the quiz. How many colors in the rainbow? You will find 4 options. I'm choosing the right answer here. The timer is going here and right answer is 7. I have chosen. Answer is correct and your point is 625. Based on the timer, it will display the points. And I want to attend second question. Just click next. So this is your first question score. Click next for attending second question. Facebook is one of the social media. Actually right answer is true, but I'm going to choose wrong answer for demo. I have chosen wrong answer, so it displayed here answer street lost. So I'm choosing next option to know the points. So first one only right, so based on that it has displayed my point. That's all. In this way we can create the quiz by using Kahoot app. So students can attend in a playway method, so it could be useful to students as well as teachers. Thank you guys. If you have any queries, kindly post in the comment window. Subscribe the YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Thank you once again.